Are you looking for the best fire pits? In this video, we'll explore 6 of the best fire pits currently on the market. Whether you're looking for a cozy addition to your backyard, a portable option for camping, or a stylish centerpiece for gatherings, we've got you covered. Before we dive into our top picks, be sure to check the Amazon links in the description below to find out more about each fire pit and see which ones fit your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 Fire Pit. The Bonfire 2.0 Smokeless Fire Pit is designed for optimal outdoor comfort and convenience. Here are the key highlights. Smokeless design: it offers a cozy fire experience without the hassle of smoke, perfect for camping, backyard gatherings, or beach trips. The efficient airflow system ensures reduced smoke, so you can enjoy the warmth without teary eyes or lingering odors. Portable and lightweight, weighing only 20 pounds and equipped with a carrying case, it's easy to bring this fire pit on the go. Whether you're setting up camp or relaxing by the beach, this fire pit is both portable and practical. Easy cleanup: after the fire, cleaning up is a breeze. The fire pit comes with a removable ash pan and base, minimizing the post-fire mess and leaving you more time to relax. Durable build: made with premium 304 stainless steel and a high-heat ceramic coating, this fire pit is built to last for years, ensuring you have a reliable, long-lasting addition to your outdoor gear. Versatile use: whether you're camping, at the beach, or hosting a backyard bonfire, the Bonfire 2.0 adapts to all outdoor settings, making it a perfect companion for any adventure. Number 2. BioLite FirePit Plus. The FirePit Plus offers a versatile and smoke-reducing way to enjoy campfires and grilling outdoors. Key features include: smokeless operation: this wood and charcoal burning fire pit mimics the campfire experience but with significantly less smoke. It uses an integrated air fan, powered by a USB rechargeable power pack, to stoke the flames for up to 30 hours, giving you a cleaner burn. Perfect for various activities. Whether you're camping, RVing, tailgating, or just relaxing in your backyard, this fire pit is designed for convenience. It features integrated folding legs, carry handles, and a packable footprint for portability. Carry bags sold separately. Built-in grill grate: the included grill grate makes it easy to cook over the open flame, and it can be fueled by standard firewood logs or charcoal. You can upgrade with a griddle or lid, available separately, to expand your cooking options. Heat radiating mesh sides: the mesh sides allow heat to radiate outward, giving you warmth while also creating an open view of the flames. The fire can be manually adjusted or controlled using a Bluetooth app. Note: the app is not compatible with Android devices. Additionally, the rechargeable power pack can be used as an emergency power bank for your devices. Compact and portable: measuring 27 by 13 by 15.8 inches, or 27 by 13 by 10.5 inches when packed, this fire pit is highly portable, weighing only 19.8 pounds. It comes with the Fire Pit Plus, grill grate, fuel rack, and a power pack that includes a USB-A to micro USB cord. Number 3. Brio Smokeless 24-inch Fire Pit. The Brio X24 Smokeless Fire Pit offers a robust and smoke-free fire experience with several key features designed for performance, durability, and versatility. Durable Corten steel construction: crafted from high-quality Corten steel, the Brio X24 measures 27.5 inches and is designed for long-lasting outdoor use. Its heavy-duty build ensures that this fire pit can withstand the elements while maintaining its appearance and function over time. Smokeless design: the X24's advanced smokeless design significantly reduces smoke, allowing for a cleaner, hassle-free fire. No more dodging smoke plumes or dealing with lingering odors, making it a great addition to your outdoor living space. Compatible with Brio accessories: the Brio X24 is more than just a fire pit. It is compatible with a wide range of Brio live fire cooking accessories, allowing you to grill, roast, and cook over an open flame. These accessories expand your outdoor cooking possibilities, providing a more interactive outdoor experience. Patented X airflow technology: Brio's patented X-airflow technology enhances the fire's efficiency by feeding oxygen directly to the flames. This helps the fire ignite quickly, burn hotter, and significantly reduces smoke, ensuring a superior outdoor fire experience. Double wall construction. The double wall design and secondary combustion holes create a smokeless burn by recirculating air through the fire, resulting in more complete combustion and less smoke. This system not only ensures a cleaner burn but also keeps the surrounding air clearer. Made in the USA, proudly manufactured in the USA, the Brio X24 combines exceptional craftsmanship and top-quality materials. The heavy-duty steel construction is built to last, ensuring years of reliable use in any outdoor environment. The Brio X24 is a versatile, smokeless fire pit that is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy fireside gatherings and live fire cooking. Would you like to know more about the available accessories or maintenance tips for this fire pit? Number 4. Solo Stove Mesa Tabletop Fire Pit. This smokeless fire pit offers a clean, cozy fireside experience with several features designed for durability, portability, and versatility. Smokeless design. The advanced airflow system ensures a smoke-free fire experience, perfect for everything from camping nights to backyard or patio gatherings. No more dealing with teary eyes, smoke, or lingering odors. Durable 304 stainless steel construction. Built from 304 stainless steel, this fire pit is both lightweight and durable, designed to last for years. It can be used as a tabletop or portable fire pit, and it includes a stand for added stability. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. Dual fuel capability. This versatile fire pit supports dual fuel options. You can burn wood or pellets thanks to the built-in pellet adapter. It delivers consistent, smokeless warmth even as more fuel is added, allowing for longer, cleaner burns. Portable and secure. The fire pit includes a sturdy stand that ensures safe and stable burning on any surface. It also comes with a nylon carry bag for easy portability, making it perfect for outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, or beach trips. Simple and easy to use. Using this fire pit is a breeze. Simply add your preferred fuel, wood or pellets, light a fire starter, and enjoy the comforting warmth of a smokeless fire. It's ideal for outdoor activities, whether it's a night in the woods, a backyard gathering, or as a stylish patio fireplace. Number 5. Outland Living Mega Fire Pit. The Outland Firebowl Deluxe Propane Fire Pit offers a convenient, clean, and safe campfire alternative that delivers warmth and ambience without the mess and hassle of traditional wood fires. Key features include: mess-free and smokeless. This propane-powered fire pit eliminates the need for dirty ash, expensive firewood, and bothersome smoke. It delivers a clean, realistic flame, making it the perfect companion for outdoor activities like camping, RV trips, tailgating, beach parties, and backyard evenings. No assembly required. The fire pit comes ready to use straight out of the box, requiring no assembly or tools. With its all-weather design, the fire pit ensures a smokeless, cozy flame and adds a warm, welcoming ambience to any outdoor setting. Its dimensions are L24-inch XW24-XH13, with an impressive total heat output of 58,000 BTU/HR. Campfire ban safe. The fire pit is CSA approved, making it safe to use during most campfire bans. Always check local fire restrictions. The spark-free design helps protect campsites and forested areas by providing a safer, easy-to-use fire option for outdoor gatherings. Complete Fire Pit Kit. The kit includes a pre-attached 10-foot hose to connect with a standard 20 pounds propane tank not included, a fully adjustable regulator with a chrome valve knob to adjust flame height, and a 6.6 lb natural lava rock set that enhances the flame's flickering effect. Additionally, a UV and weather-resistant cover is included to protect the fire pit when not in use. Optional accessories, such as a CSA-approved natural gas conversion kit and a mega carry bag, are available separately. Durable construction. The fire pit is built with high-quality steel construction, featuring a protective enamel finish for long-term durability. The stainless steel burner and fasteners ensure dependability, while its manual ignition system offers reliable fire starting. The Outland Firebowl Deluxe is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a simple, clean, and portable outdoor fire pit. It's perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere, whether you're camping, at the beach, or enjoying time in your backyard. Would you like to know more about the optional accessories or specific maintenance tips for this model? Number 6. Barebones Cowboy 23-inch Fire Pit. The Barebones 23-inch Cowboy Fire Pit grill offers an authentic, Wild West-style cooking experience with a durable and versatile design, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Here's a closer look at its key features. Authentic cowboy cooking. This fire pit grill brings the spirit of traditional cowboy cooking to your backyard, letting you enjoy open fire cooking like the cowboys of old. Whether you're grilling steaks, roasting veggies, or cooking over the flame, it allows for a true rustic, outdoor cooking experience. Spacious 23-inch cooking surface. With its large 23-inch diameter cooking surface, this grill offers plenty of space to cook for a crowd. It's perfect for entertaining family and friends during outdoor gatherings, camping trips, or backyard barbecues, making sure everyone is well fed. Adjustable Grill Grate. The adjustable grill grate gives you control over the heat intensity and allows you to easily change the distance between the food and the fire. This feature ensures you can achieve perfectly grilled results, whether you're cooking at high heat or slow roasting. Durable construction. Crafted from heavy-duty materials, the Barebones Cowboy Grill is built to endure the rugged outdoors. Its tough construction ensures it withstands the elements and repeated use, providing you with years of memorable outdoor cooking sessions. Portable and versatile. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or hosting a backyard barbecue, this heavy-duty fire pit grill is designed to be easily transported. Its portability allows you to take it anywhere, so you can enjoy authentic grilled flavors on your next outdoor adventure. The Barebones Cowboy Fire Pit Grill is perfect for those who want a simple, rugged, and effective way to cook outdoors, with the flexibility and quality needed to grill to perfection. Would you like more information on how to set up and maintain this fire pit grill, or details on any accessories that can enhance the experience?